show you how, it's my first time to do this, install a new drivetrain. Train, Shane. Silly me. And then I'm going to use one of these bad boys. It is called a chain breaker and riveting tool set. Do you think it's riveting? I got so many jokes. Okay, I'll show you how it goes. Alright, so let's see what's in the box. How it comes out. Okay. It's very clean, but also dirty. Here, this chain does come with this. Oh my gosh, I'm having a brain fart for what it's called. My goodness. Well, you know what it's called. I can't think of the stupid name. Master Link. So that's what that is. I will show you how to install that. A lot of chains may not come with that. You have to order it separately. And this thing, when they come out, they are greasy. Sweet. Got a little sticker. But it is very, very sticky. Oh my goodness. That feels so much better than my old one. Ha! Alright. Now when they come, you look here, that's why there's a master link. Now this chain, I believe it had 120 links in it. I believe. My bike is a Honda CB350, 1972, and it needs 94. So I'm definitely gonna have to punch out some of these, which is why I'm gonna show you. All right? All right. Here's the old chain. It's in pretty nasty shape. So I tested it out on the bench earlier, and it's going to be rough getting this thing off without a vise. Now I see a hole there, just for a handle. I did not realize that till just now. This will hopefully make it a lot easier. See, pulled it out right there. Broke the chain. Chains are off. Chains are off. That's a song from my old band. Alright, so pulled that off. And not voila yet. Oh, there it goes. Did it. It's a relief. Alright, so you can see the difference in chains. One is rusty, and one is brand new. And one is longer than the other. You got this part, spring, whatever size you want that fits your chain best. We're gonna give it a shot. So this little spring goes here. That goes inside. And then this little guy goes here. Pretty simple. Here's the new chain. You can see I put an X. It's really humid out here, so it's real muggy. Put an X right there. The link I want to take out. So getting the little breaker here. It is best to get a vise to do this, because it is even with a vise it can be tough. Make sure you go further down here Some more leg room. Tighten the crap out of that. Some PB blaster here. All right. So I'm putting this, there's the X. I'm putting this side in, it kind of fits in that groove. And screw that in, get it tight, do that with my hand. And thought my camera fell. Put this little guy in. See if you can see that. And then we just start screwing it. Keeps trying to jump on me. You can see it starting to go in. One thing I did mess up on. This was supposed to go in further before it's supposed to go all the way up. So it kind of holds out a little tighter. All right. Not too shabby. I'm gonna drop it. Earlier I put in too big of one of these and it got stuck. So make sure you don't put too big of a rivet in there. Then you'll be stuck with extra work. I'll tell you, doing it in this vise is game changer. Doing it on that bike's a little harder. It's almost there. You can see it coming out over here. And there we go. It is out. So now, I'll back this off. And then I'll back this off. 14 millimeter right there. And that should get me my 94 links that I need. All right. I just laid this out again and triple checked that it was 94. Because on a 72 CB350, it should be 94. This one counts as 1. So I started here, I went 1, 2, 3, and all the way around, and then this one was 94. So I'm in luck. Now I got to put it on the bike. Now it is time to put the chain on. So these chains have grease all over them when they come in. I just got done cleaning this whole area out because it was nasty. A lot of people use chain cleaners, other kerosene. I just use WD-40 to clean it. It's my first time to do this. But hopefully it helps you, for you other first timers. Got my daughter here with me. Poke your head over here, Lucy. Not that close. All right, don't touch. No ma'am. Looks like I might have to start here underneath and go up. Hey. No more. So there's not enough room. This little bar here, you'll see it when you do it. All right, so I'm going to do that there. Whoop. All right, so.
I want the bird, and if it does something, I'll tell you.
Okay. If before you get started, make sure you push this wheel as far back this way as you possibly can. Have your master link ready, which is here. Kind of hard to get off. Okay. Third time's a charm. I'm going to go ahead. I've already looped it around that way. Plug it in the master link here. Oh, what a good feeling. Ah, success. Oh, that's glorious. So now, I'm going to put this piece on right where this master link was. Pop that little guy on there. Now, put the clip on. This I know is going to be a beating, but clip it on. Make sure that this, if you're putting it on the top chain, this round part is facing that way. Because if it's going this way, and the chain goes forward, then that's bad news. It could get caught on something. This way, it's less likely to. I'll pop that bad boy on there, right here. All right, I'm going to try needle nose pliers because I've heard that works. Go in the middle one. Boom. Burped. And that looks like I got it. It's pretty loose. See, that's the direction. That's why you want that facing that way. Oh, that looks good. It's loose, obviously. Man, that's a big difference. Now I just got to tighten this wheel up and we'll be good to roll. Meanwhile, Lucy, are you helping me? Uh-oh. All right, that's how you put on a chain.